Hello guys and welcome back. Car tools in PowerPoint. Easy, isn't it? No? It is easy. Let me show you. Let's move on to our PowerPoint slide. There, simply, very simple stuff. Watch carefully. You go to your ribbon, double click on it so they can see it. There is a tab Insert. Click on that. When you click on the Insert, there are so many options, and in the illustrations part, you will find icons. Click on that. When you click on the icons, you should be able to see so many options, and one of them is cartoon people. Click on it and you will find so many options. I found somebody who I can pull it in. You can select any of them, any of these cartoon effects. Oh, there's this one. You can use this one or anything that you like. You can choose from the heads and full body parts and decorations and scenes, etc., etc. There are so many options there. Use them. I will click one of them. Ta-da! There you go. I want to use a design idea. Automatically is showing some of the ideas to me. I'll not use them at this point of time. However, I have this person now and I can use this person. How? Right click on this person and you will find so many options. One of them is group. Click on the group and you will find ungroup option. Click ungroup. You want to ungroup it? Yes, you do. So now this is ungrouped and it is, you see this is sliced. So you can use multiple areas and multiple, let's say, functionalities, ungroup each one of these parts, and then you can further drill down into more ungrouping and regrouping, and then you can play with different parts of this particular character. So you can move it wherever you want. You can give it some colors as well, shape format, so you can fill it with red, you see. Now the person is red now, so on and so forth. You can put some text here as well. You can give this a separate color. For example, you can give it a green or blue or whatsoever. You can play with it. The options are limitless. So cartoons in your PowerPoints, do include them, enjoy them, and make beautiful PowerPoints for your personal and business use. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Leave your comments in the comment sections, and I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, stay safe and take very good care of yourself. Ta-da! If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.